online property management system. This is online property management system. So let's first log in this admin, the system admin, who is the overall controller of the system. This system admin, let's first log in admin@gmail.com. Password is admin. Then we log in by pressing the enter key. So here is the name of the person who have just logged in. There, name of the person who have just logged in up here, and here is the profile picture of the person who has just, the admin who have just logged in here. So here, the main thing here is an overview of what the system is about. Number one, this first box here represents the total number of lands, properties of type, all properties of type land we have here. Here represented all properties of rent. Here we represent all properties of house. Here properties of user, we represent here the users. So this one is, this curve shows graphically the number of available properties. We have this system is mainly for land, houses and rent as the main properties. So here we have land, houses and rentals. So here on the property panel we can view all the land properties. You can view all the land properties. You can edit the land properties. You can edit the land properties. You can delete the land properties. You can delete here. If you delete the land properties, you can search here. You can search, let's say, like property from Gaba. You see this table gets filtered out. The same goes to rentals. Here the table name of the property, the price, the location, sample description, the display image, rental type, is it self-contained or no, is it the rental size, then delete and update are there. Here again on the houses there is the title, the price, the location, the dimension, description, the display image of that house, the house type, and the floors, the rooms, and the plot size still going, and the actions. So that's for the the main user. So here you can see the users. You can view all the users of the system. For now there are two users, this one and this one, first name and last name, email, profile picture, then the company name. So you can also have the settings whereby you can update some of your information. The logged in user, you can update your information here. Here you can update your information. So this is the main user. Let's log in the property admin. Yes, I want to log in. So the property admin, let me first wait. Yep, the property admin, let's say this property for, let's say, login can@gmail.com, password of 1234. So this one is a property user. This user has a total of 2 land and 1 rental and 1 house. These are properties uploaded by this user admin. That's why here you can see she or he can add images about the land image. You can add land. Here she's having 2 types of land, 2 lands as of now in the system, and these are all the images about that land, 4 of them. You can add images about the house. There is 1 house. There is a display of all the images about the house. Here is where you can add the images about the house. So there is 1 house. they can display the images. You can also display the images of the rentals. We are going to see where this one is used very soon. You can also add the settings, but there are two users. Let's log in another user and we see this admin. It's called test at Gmail, test, and enter. So as you see now, this user doesn't have anything at all. 0 land, 0 rentals, and 0 houses. But this curve still shows 1, 2 for land, 1 for houses, and 1 for rentals, because this is for the overall properties in the system. Whether it's your property or another person's property, this should show on all admins registered in the system. So, but this one has no land. That's why here you will see there is no data. This property admin hasn't added anything on to his account, his or account. So that's it for the admin. So let's go up and see what we have for the key for the user. For the user. So that's it for the user. Property hunters. Here is the description. This is what the users, people looking for properties online, will be seeing about your properties. First, there is this home button. There is this about us, these properties, and this contact. So these are the featured properties. These are the lands. You see these featured properties. You can see the land. When you click on the land title, you will see the description. These the display images which were added by the admin. They can be seen here. As you see, you can see the description of the text description. You see the type, property ID, what and what, all those information about the description. You see the related properties too. There is land. So you can here you can list all the properties. We see for now we have 2 types of land and 1 rental and 1 house. That's why there are 4 type properties here: test land, Lakeview land, amazing house, and testing rentals. So you can even click here on this thing and view the property. As you saw, there is only one rental in the system. There is no related property here, but you can get the details, the property owners, current properties, the description. You can see this is the description, but you can also see the recent properties here. You can also check them out. When you come here, you see that this type of property I'm looking for now is land. Let's check for houses here. This property houses, you see here, I'm looking now for houses. This is the help center, the number of what, these are for what, balcons, what and what, description. This is the user profile. This is like a website based, whereby this is what users will be seeing after the admins have added it into the system. Okay, that's it for now.